Okay, so let's move on to number 6. I'm going to do 6 and 7, and then 8 and 9 will be left up for you to do on your own. On number 6, we have Q. We've got to plot it somewhere, and it's telling us specifically where X is going to be 0 and Y is going to be a positive 7. So for X, we know 0 is here. Then we're going to travel up to 7, and whenever it's labeled like this, just pay attention to how it would be labeled, and it looks like evens would be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 7 is odd numbers, so it's going to be between that 6 and 8, so it would be right here, and that would be 0 for our X, a 7 for Y, and that would be where you would find Q. And then you can also, of course, put your coordinates here, depending on how your teacher asks for you to complete this assignment. Okay, and then for number 7, we have B. It's at a -7 and a -5. So once again, it's X coordinate, then our Y coordinate. So we're going to look for X at a -7. So it's going to be traveling to the left of this horizontal line. Here we have -6. And once again, we notice that it's even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8. So between 6 and 8, we would find 7. So here is our -7. And then we're going to travel down because that would be our -5y coordinate. So once again, it's going to 4, 6, and so we know between 4 and 6 we would have our 5, and so we would find B right here on our coordinate plane. So, and then once again, you can label -7, and we have our -5, and hopefully with this information you can go ahead and complete numbers 8 and 9. Best of luck.